Magandang hapon po ng December 31, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 31, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, December 31, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 31, 2024, Tuesday. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, December 31, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 31, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.